Welcome back to Nature's Abundant Garden. Today, we are continuing our discussion on permaculture food forests and focusing on the aquatic layer. The aquatic layer is an essential part of permaculture design because it helps to mimic the natural water cycles of the environment. This layer includes any bodies of water within the food forest, such as ponds, swales, or irrigation systems. Ponds are a common feature in permaculture food forests and serve multiple purposes. They provide habitat for a variety of aquatic animals, such as fish, frogs, and turtles, and can also be used for irrigation and water storage. Ponds can be constructed using natural materials, such as clay and sand, or with liner materials like rubber or plastic. When designing a pond, it's important to consider the location, size, and depth of the pond to ensure that it meets the needs of the plants and animals in the system. Swales are another important component of the aquatic layer. These are shallow, narrow trenches that are dug along contour lines on a slope to capture and store water. Swales help to slow down and retain water, preventing erosion and promoting infiltration into the soil. When designing a swale, it's important to consider the slope of the land, the type of soil, and the size and shape of the swale. Irrigation systems are another way to manage water within a permaculture food forest. These can be as simple as hand watering or as complex as automated drip systems. The key is to use water efficiently and to consider the needs of the plants in the system. When designing an irrigation system, it's important to consider the type of plants being watered, the climate, and the water availability. Incorporating an aquatic layer into a permaculture food forest has many benefits. It helps to conserve water, promote biodiversity, and create a balanced ecosystem. Permaculture is all about creating sustainable and self-sufficient systems that mimic the natural environment. The aquatic layer is a crucial part of this process, and by incorporating elements such as ponds, swales, and irrigation systems, we can create a thriving and diverse ecosystem. Thank you for joining us for this look at the aquatic layer of a permaculture food forest. We hope you found this information helpful and that it inspires you to incorporate water management into your own permaculture design. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on permaculture and sustainable living.